Mucuna pruriens is a tropical legume native to Africa and tropical Asia and widely naturalized and cultivated. Its English common names include velvet bean, Bengal velvet bean, Florida velvet bean, Mauritius velvet bean, Yokohama velvet bean, cowage, cowitch, lacuna bean, and Lyon bean. The plant is notorious for the extreme itchiness it produces on contact, particularly with the young foliage and the seed pods. It has agricultural and horticultural value and is used in herbalism. Description: the plant is an annual climbing shrub with long vines that can reach over 15 meters, 50 feet, in length. When the plant is young, it is almost completely covered with fuzzy hairs. But when older, it is almost completely free of hairs. The leaves are tripinnate, ovate, reverse ovate, rhombus-shaped or widely ovate. The sides of the leaves are often heavily grooved and the tips are pointy. In young pruriens plants, both sides of the leaves have hairs. The stems of the leaflets are 2 to 3 millimeters long, approximately 1/10 of an inch. Additional adjacent leaves are present and are about 5 mm, 0.2 in, long. The flower heads take the form of axially arrayed panicles. They are 15 to 32 cm, 6 to 13 in, long and have 2 or 3, or many flowers. The accompanying leaves are about 12.5 mm, 0.5 in, long. The flower stand axes are from 2.5 to 5 mm, 0.1 to 0.2 in. The bell is 7.5 to 9 mm, 0.3 to 0.4 in, long and silky. The sepals are longer or of the same length as the shuttles. The crown is purplish or white. The flag is 1.5 mm, 0.06 in, long. The wings are 2.5 to 3.8 centimeters, 1.0 to 1.5 in, long. In the fruit ripening stage, are 4 to 13 centimeters, 2 to 5 in, long, 1 to 2 centimeters, 0.4 to 0.8 in, wide. Unwinged, leguminous fruit develops. There is a ridge along the length of the fruit. The husk is very hairy and carries up to 7 seeds. The seeds are flattened uniform ellipsoids, 1 to 1.9 centimeters, 0.4 to 0.7 in, long, 0.8 to 1.3 centimeters, 0.3 to 0.5 in, wide and 4 to 6.5 centimeters, 2 to 3 in, thick. The hilum, the base of the funiculus, connection between placenta and plant seeds, is surrounded by a significant arillus, fleshy seed shell. Pruriens bears white, lavender, or purple flowers. Its seed pods are about 10 centimeters, 4 inches, long and are covered in loose, orange hairs that cause a severe itch if they come in contact with skin. The itch is caused by a protein known as mucuna. The seeds are shiny black or brown drift seeds. The dry weight of the seeds is 55 to 85 grams. 2 to 3 ounces. 100 seeds. Uses. In many parts of the world, Mucuna pruriens is used as an important forage, fallow and green manure crop. Since the plant is a legume, it fixes nitrogen and fertilizes soil. In Indonesia, particularly Java, the beans are eaten and widely known as benguk. The beans can also be fermented to form a food similar to tempium known as benguk tempe or tempe. Benguk, pruriens is a widespread fodder plant in the tropics. To that end, the whole plant is fed to animals as silage, dried hay or dried seeds. Pruriens silage contains 11 to 23% crude protein, 35 to 40% crude fiber, and the dried beans 20 to 35% crude protein. It also has use in the countries of Benin and Vietnam as a biological control for problematic Imperator cylindrica grass. Monsieur pruriens is said to not be invasive outside its cultivated area. However, the plant is invasive within conservation areas of South Florida, where it frequently invades disturbed land and rockland hammock edge habitats. Monsieur pruriens is sometimes used as a coffee substitute. Cooked fresh shoots of beans can also be eaten. The plant contains relatively high 3 to 7% dry weight levels of L-dopa. Some people are sensitive to L-dopa and may experience nausea, vomiting, cramping, arrhythmias, and hypotension. Up to 99% of the L-dopa can be leached out of Monsieur pruriens by repeated soaking in boiling water and then cold water. Acidic water significantly increases the rate at which L-dopa is leached out. Pre-boiling also contributes to better decomposition of anti-nutrients found in Monsieur pruriens. Through cooking, traditional medicine. The seeds of Mucuna pruriens have been used for treating many dysfunctions in Unani medicine. It is also used in Ayurvedic medicine. The plant and its extracts have been long used in tribal communities as a toxin antagonist for various snake bites. It has been studied for its effects against bites by Naja spp. Cobra, Akais, saw-scaled viper, Chaos elasma, Malayan pit viper, and Bangaris crate. It has long been used in traditional Ayurvedic Indian medicine in an attempt to treat diseases, including Parkinson's disease. Dried leaves of Monsieur pruriens are sometimes smoked. Itch-inducing properties. The hairs lining the seed pods contain serotonin and the protein mucinane, which cause severe itching when the pods are touched. The calyx below the flowers is also a source of itchy spicules, and the stinging hairs on the outside of the seed pods are used in itching powder. Scratching the exposed area can spread the itching to other areas touched. Once this happens, the subject tends to scratch vigorously and uncontrollably, and for this reason the local populace in northern Mozambique refer to the beans as mad beans, Fejos malucos. The seed pods are known as devil beans in Nigeria. Pharmacology. The seeds of the plant contain about 3.1 to 6.1% L-dopa, with trace amounts of serotonin, nicotine, and bufotenine. One study using 36 samples of seeds found no tryptamines present. Nomenclature and taxonomy. Common names. Frijol do Abono in the Guatemala language, Nkasi in Nyanja of Zambia, and Sepe in Bemba of Zambia. Ikpe in Bini language of Nigeria. Cowitch, Jamaica. Baya in the Madurese language. Bahanaka in Maldivian. Si Maoli Dao in Chinese. Nasaguni Kayi in Kannada. Kara Benguk in the Javanese language. Atmagupta or Karpikachchu in Sanskrit. Kawanch or Kuch in Hindi. Karaj Kariri in Marathi. Alkushi, Bengali. Punaikali in Tamil. Jukborna, German. Ichbean. Foguerite, Dominican Republic. Picapaica, everywhere in Spanish. Karpikachu. Wiripaya Yarapi Yoruba. Devil beans, Nigeria. In English, Duradagondi, or Dulagondi in Telugu. Fejao Maluco, mad bean. Angola in Mozambique. Podemico, itching powder. Fejao da Florida, Florida's bean. Fejao Cabeludo da India, hairy, pilus Indian bean. Fejao de Gado, cattle's bean. Fejao Mucuna, Mucuna bean. Fejao Veludo, velvet bean. And Mucuna vilosa, fleecy Mucuna. Brazil and Portugal. In Portuguese, Chitedze, Malawi. Nicaruna, ML. Malayalam, Marmui. Th. in Thai, Thao Mao Rung, dying a, Moc Mao in Vietnamese, cowage ba, Yerang Pe Nupe, Inulekpe, Nigeria, in Igala, Upupu in Kiswahili, Badanka in Oria, Poismasket, Reunion Island, in French, Wandurume in Sinhala, Kway Laya, Dog Fleach, in Myanmar, Igbala, Nigeria, in Igbo, Bandar Kekawa, in Assamese, Bukapika, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua, Akpakru, Nigeria, Bekwara, Couchho, or Kazo, in Nepali, Mamui, in Thai, Huriri, Zimbabwe, in Shona, Gajel Belly and in Kangari language of Himachal Pradesh, India, Kavach, or Kuvech, in Gujarati language, subspecies, Mucuna pruriens ssp, Diringiana, Bort, Harnault, Mucuna pruriens ssp, pruriens, varieties, Mucuna pruriens var, hirsuta, white anan, Wilmot deer, Mucuna pruriens var, pruriens, L. D.C., Mucuna pruriens var, Sericophila, Mucuna pruriens var, utilis, wool, X. White, L.H. Bailey is the non-stinging variety grown in Honduras. See also, medicinal plants, Mucunane, www.fao.org, J.J. Herbals, 1. Mucuna pruriens, U.S. Forest Service, www.hort.purdue.edu Crop fact sheets, Mucuna pruriens, tropical forages, Mucuna pruriens protects against snakebite venom, Mucuna pruriens var, utilis, photos, chemicals in, Mucuna pruriens, L. D.C., Dr. Duke's phytochemical and ethnobotanical databases, Lyceum, Mucuna pruriens a comprehensive review, Mucuna pruriens seed L-DOPA content on the basis of seed color. Research paper showing quantitative phytochemical analysis. Caldecott, Todd, 2006. Ayurveda, The Divine Science of Life. Elsevier, Mosby. ISBN 0-7234-34107. Contains a detailed monograph on Mucuna pruriens, Karpikachchu, Atmagupta, as well as a discussion of health benefits and usage in clinical practice. Available online at http://www.toddcaldecott.com, index.php/herbs/learning-herbs/349-Karpikachchu. Mucuna pruriens in West African plants, a photo guide.